This is Amaryllis Stamp Set from Alter New. This is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set containing 15 individual stamps. What looks like a lily but is actually another gorgeous type of flower, an amaryllis bloom. Amaryllis is a beautiful flower that is often mistaken for a lily due to its shape. This magnificent flower symbolises strength and determination and has done since the Victorian era. This set features a large layering amaryllis bloom in a modern whimsical style. Pair this with one of the thoughtful sentiments included in the set to complete your handmade project.
This is Baby Shower Stamp Set from Alter New. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 12 individual stamps. These cute cuddly critters are ready to celebrate. This set is perfect for baby showers and birth announcements. The images are versatile and can be used for birthdays, invitations, thank you cards and other special occasions. This set includes sentiments, a banner, branches, heart, a balloon and a group of cheerful animal friends. This is Beauty Within Stamp Set from Alter New. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 20 individual stamps. This stamp set features 3 gorgeous Japanese anemones along with a couple of large branches of leaves and a few delicate branches. The petals and leaves were drawn with utmost care, emphasizing their curves and folds and making these images perfect for coloring. You may also leave these images stamped as is, for they will certainly pop against a colored background. This stamp set has a matching Simply Color stencil which will allow you to add layers of color effortlessly. Introducing Beauty Within Simple Coloring Stencil Set from Alter New. Celebrate inner beauty with this lovely floral stencil set composed of 3 stencils. This coloring set coordinates with the Beauty Within stamp set. This stencil is part of a unique line of stencils curated to be used with their corresponding stamp sets. This stencil will provide a base for adding color and character to the images in the stamp set. They will allow you to add beautiful layers of colors to the flowers and leaves in the stamp set effortlessly. This is Camp Life Stamp Set from Alter New. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 19 individual stamps. Enjoy camp life with your friend or family with this campy stamp set. The stamp set includes sentiments along with a tent, sleeping bag, lantern, fire pit, fishing pole, thermos, folding chair, backpack and scenic rocks. This is Darling Rose Stamp Set from Alter New. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 9 individual stamps. There is nothing more darling than a beautiful rose. This 4x6 stamp set features a beautiful hand-drawn rose outline image with 3 accompanying leaves. This is a great stamp to add color to using all of your favorite coloring mediums. There are also a number of sentiments included that share a rose theme. is Floral Minimalism Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 18 individual stamps. This stamp set shows you the beauty of simplicity. It was inspired by clean and modern Scandinavian textile designs and features floral elements that can be paired together in your favorite color schemes. It is accompanied by a sentiment to remind us all to live simply. This is Splatter Constellations stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 26 individual stamps. This unique stamp set features the constellations of the 12 zodiac signs cleverly created out of paint drops and ink splatters. The names of each constellation are also included, so you can create special customized cards for the important people in your life, catered to the individual sign. This is with Deepest Sympathy stamp set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 7 individual sentiment stamps. Necessity is the mother of invention, so while most sympathy stamp sets say, "I'm so sorry for your loss," when what is more often needed is, "We are so sorry for your loss." These sayings were developed for that situation and to remind us that where there is great love, the loss will be difficult. They can be used in either situation. These sentiments provide a reminder that while the person may be gone from the earth, the memories will stay on our hearts and sustain us. These are the wax seal stamps from Altenew. Altenew wax seal stamps are the perfect modern interpretation of a classic tradition. Pair with our gorgeous wax sticks, beads and spoon for all of your sealing needs. Altenew has a variety of stamps to choose from. There is a sweet envelope with a heart, a lovely blooming flower, a finely detailed striped flower, and the words hello and thanks. Add a fun touch to your envelopes with these cute wax seal stamps. Introducing the wax seal beads from Altenew. These beads come in 4 different colors: rose gold, garnet, sapphire and enchanted gold. Use 5 to 6 beads in the wax seal spoon, melt them, pour the wax on your project and press the stamp of your choice in the warm wax. Add the perfect finishing touch to your envelope or any other project with these colorful beads. Introducing the wax seal candle set from Altenew. This set contains 4 wax candles in stunning colors. Choose from rose gold, garnet, sapphire and enchanted gold and add that perfect finishing touch to your envelope. Light the candle and let some of the wax drop onto your project. Then use one of the wax seal stamps and stamp your lovely image. This is wax seal spoon from Altenew. This tool will enable you to melt just the right amount of wax beads to create a beautiful wax seal. Choose from Altenew's array of wax stamps to add that perfect finishing touch to your envelope. To find out more about the wax seal spoon and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!